Hey guys, so I just came back from an event and I'm gonna clean my face up. So I have two kinds of makeup remover. One is the Biore Micellar, which is really very popular right now, and I really wanted to try it, so I just bought like a small tub of it. But for usual makeup removal, I will just usually use my own DIY makeup remover, and this makeup remover I made with coconut oil, as you can see, and also green tea. This green tea, why I use these two ingredients is because coconut oil is a natural makeup remover. Like, coconut oil by itself can remove so much makeup, like I don't even have to even put anything. But the green tea is actually there to supplement the nutrients which green tea has. Like, it has antioxidant, and you know why the Japanese people love green tea so much is because its antioxidant is so potent. And so whatever it's good for your body, it's actually good for your skin too, I guess. I'm not a skincare expert, but I have read a lot on green tea, and I feel that green tea is good for my face. And I personally also drink green tea every now and then, so this is why I have chosen green tea as my medium. So okay, without further ado, let's just try. So I'm gonna try the Biore first. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on this part of my face. So I'm just gonna, like, put it there for a while to let it soak. And I'm wearing mascara. So as you can see, my mascara is gone, which is great. So maybe I'll just finish up a bit. I look funny when I remove my makeup. I realize, like, I have like funny facial expression. Even the other side is dirty. Okay, so I'm just gonna do like makeup one makeup wipe to just let you see how effective it is with one wipe. Okay, and actually you guys may think that I'm not using much makeup, which is true or false in a way, because I guess after the event my makeup got less. But actually I think I did makeup quite heavily. Okay, so this is my DIY one. So I just put like this much, and as usual I will always like leave it around at my mascara area, because I feel like my mascara area is the one which takes up more, and it's more difficult to remove, basically. Okay, here's my other side. It actually, I feel like for the coconut one I don't need to even brush so much. And okay, so second, okay, so as you can see, even my this one is also gone, and my foundation is off. My eyebrow is cleaner than this side. I think this side still needs more cleaning, and you can see my pimples are all, my scars are all out, which means that my foundation is all out. So this is the coconut one, and this is the Biore Micellar one. For me, I still prefer my coconut one because after you clean your makeup, I think you still have to do another round, but based on one swab of cleaning, I feel like it's smoother. Like I don't really have to pull my face, and also I feel like the oils from the coconut is replenishing my natural oils, which I just stripped off. As opposed to the Biore one, I feel like it's also quite good, and if you don't like an oily texture, you can totally consider this because when when you use it, it really does not leave any oily residue, and it just feels very like yeah, it kind of feels clean actually. Yeah, so it depends. If you can see, this is a bit shinier, it's because of the coconut oil, and this is, yeah, but yeah, I still think, I think both of them is good, but I would still go for, my DIY coconut green tea makeup remover. So I hope you enjoyed my short rant and video and comparison on the makeup removers. Thank you so much.